Hey guys, so a couple of videos ago I did a test and review of the Ryobi Easy Reach Telescopic hedge trimmer, and so far I've been using that a lot and it's been really good. And so I thought I'd go out and buy myself the Telescopic pole lopper attachment to go with it. Now I promise I'm not a Ryobi rep or sponsored by them, I just really like their products. That being said, if Ryobi want to send me some free products, I'm okay with that. So while I got this, I got a few bushes and trees that are getting quite high and need to be cut up the top, and I just simply can't get up there with a ladder or with a telescopic saw to cut them. So hopefully I'll be able to connect this to the pole and easily get the job done. Let's have a look what's in the box. I'll use my trusty Leatherman. Don't leave home without it. So here it is, a nice little compact unit. Feels very heavy and very strong. Here's our 5-position articulating head. This is the dangerous end, and this can cut up to 32 mil diameter sticks, trees, pieces of wood, branches, you name it. We have the instructions, don't need those. We might need those.
A few moments later.
So actually the instructions do have some tips in there. 1, we always clean the blade, and 2, the blade is apparently replaceable. So that's a good thing. All right, so what we'll do is we'll get the old one off first. We just unscrew it. Unplug. Now this can only go in one way, so try and match up the insides. Screw it back on. Keep all pets and children out of the way. And do not put your fingers near this end. So what we've got here is a little hook under here as well. So you can cut it with this, and if the branch doesn't come out, you can hook the branch into this and yank it down. So holding down the trigger allows it to continually cut, and then it releases itself, it opens back up. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I'm already impressed. That was really easy. So the first one was a test. This one here is one that I've been wanting to get for a little while. It's part of my hedge that's growing out of control, quite high. So I'm gonna have to put it to a 90-degree angle and see if we can get it up there. Great, got it, that was quite easy. So I just wanted to show you what I cut up there. I mean, that's quite thick. That would be like just on 3 centimeters, I reckon. So that was green, obviously, and very happy with that. Well, it's the end of the night and I finished doing the backyard. So this worked really well, and if that's something that you think you could use, or a friend or family member, then it might be something to consider. All right, if you like this, please like and subscribe. See you guys.